Well, I can't believe that I'm actually making a cooking video. Today, what I'm going to do, I have people say, what's a staple that I should have as a plant-based eater? What's one thing that I should have available at all times? Me personally, I like to have rice. I either go for a black rice, which is also called forbidden rice, or a mixed type of rice. And I'm going to show you both. And then I'm going to show you how simple it is to cook up a batch so that you have plenty of rice on hand. So come on into my kitchen and I'm going to actually show you how to cook rice. This is Kathleen Gage with Plant-Based Eating for Health. So the first thing you want to do is you just want to get a little pot, and all you need is a small pot depending on the amount of rice that you're going to cook. Now in my case, I'm going to cook just a tiny bit, and I'll get the measuring cup and I'll get the rice. Okay, so right here I have two kinds of rice. We've got the dark black rice, which is also called forbidden rice, and then a mixed type of rice. I really like the nutty flavor of this one. And we've got our measuring cup, and basically you just take the rice, you measure it out, and you take double that amount of water. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to boil the water. So I basically go over here, put it on high, and I let the water boil. Okay, so once the water is boiling, all you do is pour the rice inside, and then what you want to do, my cat is wanting to be fed, you want to mix it up, you want to put the top on, and you want to turn the heat down. So I just start there, go to 1.4, I set the timer, and I'll go 35 minutes. I've got 35 minutes, and that's approximately, and then I can watch and make sure that it doesn't overcook. And what I do is once it's done, then I actually turn off the heat. I just mix it up a little and leave it set for a while, and it's good to go. Okay, so now the rice is done, and you'll notice that it's nice and steamy. And all you need to do is mix it up, and you've got some nice, dark, forbidden rice. So there you go, my first recipe on how to cook rice. So there you have it, rice in 35 minutes. It's really fantastic, and I always like to make a big portion of rice so that I have plenty on hand. I can put some in my salad at lunchtime. I can have it as a side dish at dinner. And like anything, you want to eat it in moderation, but rice is something great to have on hand. This is Kathleen Gage, and I encourage you, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Hit the bell notification. I feel like kind of a hick in the kitchen. I'm not a kitchen kind of person. I'm more about, mindset and really going for the gusto, eating healthy, being responsible. But I thought, you know what? You need to see what I am cooking. So there you go.